Hi, my name's Kathleen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Detox Market's newest Glow Vibrations Face Wand. So this battery-powered facial wand has stimulating sonic vibrations that amplifies the traditional benefits of crystal rolling. It helps detox and depuff tired-looking skin, so your skin looks toned, refreshed, and lifted after each use. So this facial wand has 4 interchangeable heads, and each head serves different areas of the face. We have the round quartz, and it's for the under eye area, and you can use it everywhere around the face as well. We have the pointed bar, and you use it for the neck, the jaw, and the forehead area. And you use this curved bar for your cheeks. And then we also have this pointed bar, and you use it in between your eyebrows, on your temples, and also on your nape area. So you want to use the facial wand on clean, moisturized, makeup-free skin. So I'm going to do the skin prep with you guys. I've already cleansed my face. Now I'm going to apply a toner, and I'm going to use this moisturizing facial mist as my toner. Just spritz it on, pat it on my skin, and then use your favorite oil or serum. So I am using Indele's Vitamin Infusion as my oil of choice for today. Just pat it on your skin like so. And now you're ready for the facial wand. I'm going to start with my neck area going upwards. So I am going to use the straight bar first, and you open this device over here, just twist it to activate it, and then you're going to want to gently glide the bar or the wand upwards on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. So you want to glide it upwards and outwards. Curved bars for the cheeks. Round quartz for under the eyes. And then this pointed bar in between the eyebrows. On your temples. And lastly on your nape. And then you're done. You want to do this every day for optimal results. Hope you guys have a good day and enjoy.